The Strip is the main street in Las Vegas with an over 6.4 km long paradise for any luxury animal. On the Strip are numerous casinos and hotels placed. Here you can see the luxurious hotel Luxor Las Vegas with more than 4,400 rooms and 11,000 square meters play space. There are countless of coasters at various hotels and squares along the Strip.
An absolute novelty to this multitude of entertainment opportunities in Las Vegas. The Belingo Fountain, a famous attraction at the Hotel Belingo. These fountains are designed specially to stimulate vision and hearing. It will leave you totally enraptured with impressions. At weekdays, the show is running every half an hour from 3 o'clock to 8 o'clock and every 15 minutes from 8 o'clock to 12 o'clock.
Las Vegas is not just about gambling. Along the Strip in Vegas is a large shopping mall located. It is 58,500 square meters and houses more than 160 high-end stores that can easily compete with Rodeo Drive's best. It is now one of the most thriving shopping malls in the United States and holds the record for the highest circulation in America. Go shopping like you've never done it before. Walk through the Roman design stores, completed with columns and copies of famous Roman fountains. Intense experience with a trip in a spiral running elevator.
Las Vegas is in the middle of a desert, so there is plenty of natural experiences around Las Vegas. There is, example, the opportunity to see the Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area, which is a valley with only red stones.